I think I'm gonna start putting some of these videos on YouTube. Right now, I'm gonna just jump into it. So this is a trailer a customer bought. Supposedly it was a bargain. There's two hydraulic pistons right here. On that side, it actually cracked the frame. The bottom section of the frame, it cracked on the other side where they're working at right now. So once we remove this plate, we realize that that bottom channel is actually a two-piece right here instead of a one-piece. I don't know, y'all let me know, was this a good deal or a bad deal? Mind you, this trailer is not, it's a dump trailer, 18 foot. I don't know how wide it is. I want to say about 8 feet, but it's actually patched together. So let me show y'all what I mean by that. You could just tell right here, right there, this right here, and there's other areas that this is not a dump trailer to begin with. It wasn't. He paid around 20% of what a dump trailer actually costs. And I heard they're up to like 18 grand or something. So initially it came in because these doors wouldn't close, and we're supposed to adjust them, because they were sagging, the doors were sagging, and the door wouldn't close. So we initially thought, well, it's because they abused of it, and this trailer has been abused. But a lot has to do with the crack on the side, which I'm gonna show y'all right now, which has been repaired. There was like a big old gap. We did adjust the doors, but now that we fixed that crack over there, now we gotta, you know, they're adjusted up. You could tell by a lot. I mean, this whole trailer is just warped. It is gonna cost a little bit amount of money to get it back, but I mean, it's patchwork, man. You can see this rectangular tubing they use right there. Yeah, whoever had this trailer before did a lot of patchwork. So I don't know if it was worth it. Okay, guys, so let me talk about this other project. So over this weekend, the side-by-side that I'm working on over there was actually flipped. The passenger side wheel went up a pole and actually flipped sideways, and we had an issue. So here's the issue. So these are the sleeves for the A-arm right here. They go in here, and they actually bent. This is the lower A-arm. So this is for the lower A-arm. It bent. This is the one from the upper A-arm, which bent, and I actually had to cut the bolt that goes through here. It's still in there because I couldn't get it out in order to pull off the A-arm. So, and this is a tie rod. This is the old one, which I replaced it too. And so I want to tell y'all a bit, I don't know what other. So this is the bolt that I received from Amazon. This is the reason why I kind of want to make this video. When you buy stuff like this from Amazon, which is stainless steel, right? So they don't fit how they should compared to the original one. So when the bolt goes in here, I mean this been to shit, so you're not gonna be able to. But it's supposed to have a tight tolerance, and it is. When it comes to the thread, it fits in the nice and tight. But once you get to this area right here, it like narrows down about 1 millimeter or 2, and well, can't use this. It's too much slop. And it does say on the description that they might be off by 1 millimeter or 2. But yeah, I try to go to my local boat store, and they don't carry it. So I had to order again from Amazon, but maybe from a different manufacturer. These are like, this was like $10 a piece, and the other one that I ordered is like $14 a piece, hoping that it fits. But if anybody knows where I could get these bolts for these A-arms, I would really appreciate it, because this is only one side. I could imagine the other one's
probably messed up too. So, but let me take y'all over here so y'all could see the razor. So this is what I'm talking about. See the ones there, but we got some play. We got like about not much play, but I mean shit, this is a fucking, it's gonna go through some rough areas and eventually that shit's gonna break off, because that, or it's gonna eat up through the sleeve and the bushing. You really don't want that much play. So yeah, that's this other project. So he's gonna hammer it in and then weld it. We're gonna fish plate it. Yeah, he's gonna fish plate it right there, both sides.